fucking just for a minute. And I think if you just stop sucking for that minute.
That's
you'll
right.
Like how you feel.
That's right.
That was good week. Venice Beach 2022, 2023, that's how we do.
Yeah. Be a force of nature, shine your light.
Assistant Professor Griff, deep in this bitch.
Be like the sun.
Snow, pull
DIY.
up, go.
SnowFire. They coming in.
Inbound. Hippies inbound.
They coming in. Don't put that in your pocket. Don't put that in your pocket. Oh no, that herb. I thought you were gonna put it in your pocket for the evidence room. I saw that. You're an idiot. SnowFire.
Man, I rolled the motherfucker right there. We got art, we got fashion, we got $20 eights and mushrooms. Hell yeah.
Ah, more cops today. We're all cops. I'm trying to get it. Just accept it. How you doing, sir? Greetings. Greetings. Blue, Luigi, Ken.
Lorenz? That lady was asking about the next barbecue. She goes, is it couture? They invited me. I was like, yeah, you should come. December 18th.
That's
Next
right.
one. So definitely
That's
message her. She's going to bring her daughter to next one.
Who's that?
But she sets up the jewelry by Rose.
Oh, nice. All right.
Yeah, really cool lady.
Check out the Barton fashion while you're doing it. All makes sense.
There it is. Fresh. It's as fresh as it gets right there. That's right, folks. Yeah, right? This is UFO weather. There's the moon. It's all coming together. Yes, yes.